a mountain of skulls, in the castle of pain, I sat on a throne of blood. What was will be, what is will be no more. Now is the season of evil.
Yo. Create panic when I run amok. Punch your mug till my knuckles cut, with my straight jacket still buckled up. If you're whack, I'm saying the truth blatant. I'd rather jump on a track with a train at a tube station. Celebrate this song, or get your face carved off and left with a leather face stitched on. Not even Midas could touch the skills. Forget labels, I shook the hands of time as I struck a deal. Padded brain cells constructed of metal. In the art of war, make you draw blood with a pencil. Break backstabbers, crooked spines. Son of a gun in a full metal straight jacket, moving in bullet time. Uppercut you to soaring heights. Just before you die, make your afterlife flash before your eyes. Open your mouth, I weld it shut. Sick to my stomach, I push my belly button and self-destruct.
Born with the birthmark of the beast, commander-in-chief, march through Tartarus in blood-soaked army fatigues. Wear a diseased heart on my sleeve. They say words are weapons, well I guess I'm armed to the teeth. Hung members of the Nazi regime from rafters and beams, committed to rhyme with no chance of release. Blasphemous saints, iron straight jacket restraints. Spit fire that attracts the Mothman to the flame. I'm an orphan of Chernobyl, come back from the grave. I put your freedom of speech in shackles and chains. We salivate hazardous waste. I swing Excalibur with a stone still attached to the blade. We're a nimble ninja clan, sprinting over the surface of sinking sand, rocking concrete timberlands. Roll militant and guerrilla tanks. My fist is rock solid, breaking through Edward Scissorhands.
Dressed to kill, black hooded robe and scythe. Cause a power outage in the blink of my golden eye. Heart swallowing cold inside. From a broken promised land where no mind, body or soul survives. My household's a haven for the undead. Tasting the bloodshed, my skin waiting for the sunset. Presence of shadows, dark place from the sunlight. A cell structure of RA is my blood type. Torn between heaven and hell, I'm interracial, lead a double life. Hornless demon, wingless angel, flesh-eating life takers that don't take drugs, insane stunts. Free base jump from skyscrapers. Pound signs tattered on the skin of my teeth. Money talks and I want a six-figure of speech. My pulse is in sync with a beat. Death terror, eternal rest, I still twitch in my sleep. Locked in my straight jacket in the rhyme asylum. Rain spitting, hitting with the force of a strike of lightning.
No one's fucking with Rhyme Asylum. Let the cat out the bag as well as a pride the lions.
Skirmish the man beast, Rhyme Asylum. My clique got the game on lock like Rikers Island.
Rhyme for rhyme, believe me, bro, pity. Roar to the floor, overpower your team. You won't out your dream. Trust me, I'll introduce you to the devil himself. It's top secret, human eyes cannot